beauties. Today we're going to be well, me and Angelica, but me and Angelica, my twin, as some of you might know, we're going to be driving for the first time. Okay. Yeah, well, like, she drove like for like 3 seconds because she almost ran into a wall. So
as if your mama headache pills work.
no, we're going driving today. And we're going to be going in this parking lot, but first we're going to get Starbucks because today is Thursday and they have half off frappuccinos, grande or larger. So we're going to be getting that, and I think I might get the cupcake frappuccino because I haven't had that ever or in a while, but I know I tried it before because I tried some Angelica's. But yeah, so I'm going to be getting that because I've had all the other ones that they have on the menu, which is probably sad. Okay, so we just left Starbucks and I got the cupcake frappuccino. Let me put y'all on, okay? Let me put y'all on. Okay, but yeah. Bomb. It's just like, I don't know. It's good though. I can't describe it. Oh, and she got the, what is that? Cafe vanilla. Yeah, cafe vanilla. Okay, so y'all, my friend is gonna go first, but she doesn't want me to record her, so I'm going to respect her wishes and not do so. And you need to adjust your feet, but yeah. Okay, so Angelica just drove, and now I'm gonna get in the driver's seat, and she's gonna record. So, and we didn't die, you guys. She drove there and back, so that's great. Okay, see y'all on the one. Wait, can you move? Can you turn it around?
So, twin here. Angelica's about to drive.
Mama.
Come on, I'll help you.
Yeah, you gonna turn.
I'll
turn.
But you could at least let me turn.
I'll help you.
Let me turn with a car not right there.
You ain't gonna hit that car. You got plenty of space.
Yeah, you not.
You can drive down some more and then turn.
Okay.
You think you need all that space? Yeah, these cars.
So,
coming in now, so
She's
y'all-
literally driving like not even 1 mile. But you know, it's all good.
Straight and turn back up in the
Want me to do that?
outside.
You need to look at the road.
Oh, look at
back.
me. Oh.
Make sure ain't no
I see a car.
cars
I see a
coming.
car.
See, the police
see it.
over. What is that? Look, we should be driving through this park.
I'm doing it. This is hilarious.
Make sure ain't no. Well, we should go a little bit 2 minutes faster than Angelica.
Minutes or miles?
2 miles.
Tell me where to stop.
Okay, you can stop. I said you can stop.
I know. I'm trying to do a smooth stop.
Oh.
That was nice move. Doing it.
We didn't die. Good job. Give me a high five.
Y'all did good.
Look at you. Y'all, we didn't die. We didn't die. We didn't die. We didn't die. With either one of us. So that's like amazing. Thank you, Jesus. Because your girl is not trying to have July the 19th be her death date. Okay? But yeah. So I think we're about to go home right now. Aren't we, Mom?
Well, I'm finna put these folks' address in.
Well, apparently we're going somewhere. Okay, bye, beauties. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, my name is Angelina. And click the subscribe button right now to become a beauty like me.
And share with your friends.
Yeah, share with your friends. Turn on post notifications by hitting that bell to be notified when I, me, more post. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my first time driving. I would have got hers, but like I said, she didn't want me to record, so I had to respect that. But yeah, see you later. Bye, beauties.